I forgot my plate, so I took my shovel, put some plastic bag over it, and I will eat it from there. As you see by the looks, it is just amazing. So let's get started. Check it out. Today was very hard work, and now here is the prize for our hard work. Check this out. Check this out. As you saw, the rabbit was cooked perfectly, all white meat, just the way I like it, with a little crisp on the outside. We enjoyed it very much. Also, Rocco ate a little. Rocco. Not. Ciao. Also, Rocco ate a little bit of the bone with a little bit meat. So now I am in a dilemma. My cousin over here suggested me another idea. One head is good, but two heads are better. Originally I wanted to put sticks like this on the whole shelter, and to make it in a way that the whole roof would be going up. I don't know what he saw over there, but he started barking and ran on that side. So what I was saying, my cousin suggested that I leave these pieces, which are on both sides of the shelter, and a small gap in between the center is open. He suggested that I leave it like this, and I make the moving roof only on this side, so that I can crawl in at night, my feet here and my head over there. This will be of course covered with moss. After, it will be covered with some leaves and all of the debris around the woods. So I don't know, suggest in comments, what do you think, what would be better, if the whole roof will go up or if only the centerpiece will go up? I don't know. Or both of them will be the same low profile when it will be closed, and when it will be open, I don't know. I think both ideas are good. So comment down below, what do you think? Because also, if I put the whole roof moving, in that case it will be pretty heavy, and I don't know if I will be able to pick it up all the time to put the poles in the center. So I don't know, I'm just guessing. So give me your ideas, comment down below. Also, I posted a private video. It is about some personal stuff. I talk about some personal stuff. I talk about the giveaway which we had in December. Don't think that I forgot it even 1 second. I always remembered. But why it was so delayed and what was going on with the fundraiser with the camera, you can hear about that in that private video. Link will be down in the description. You can view it only with that link, because it is personal stuff. Not everyone wants to hear personal stuff by me, and it's not entertaining, so if you would like it, you can check it out, and if you are interested about what I have been doing and what was going on all these months. So I think that will be all for today. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and click that bell icon next to it to get notified for more awesome videos with me and Rocco, the guard of the shelter. He's still looking on that side. I don't know what he saw. Maybe he heard something. So I think that will be all for today. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and comment down below your thoughts. I will much appreciate it. Also, you can shop for my custom ferro rods and custom knives on my Etsy shop. It is called Bushcraft shop. Link will be also down in the description, and you can check that out as well. So thank you for watching and have a nice day. See you in the next one. Rocco, say goodbye. Say goodbye, Rocco. 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 What's wrong? Who is there? Who is there? Is the Slender Man? Let's eat him alive. Or are there wolves? I love this boy so much. I love this boy so much. And next time also I want to bring his father Max as well. So I'll be alone here with two dogs, maybe on an overnight already in the shelter because not a lot is left to finish it.